Hello everyone, welcome back to Agasthya Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is Wilcom tutorial number 8 in our beginner series. In this video, I will show you how to edit satin stitch settings like width, density and direction. Don't worry, I will explain slowly and clearly. Let's begin. First, I draw a line from running tool. Select the running tool. Click and click. Enter. Now I select the select tool and I click on the satin stitch object. You can see the object is selected properly. Only after selecting the object we can change width and density. Now look at the right side. This is the object properties panel. Here the stitch type is satin. This is the density or spacing. Density controls how close the stitches are. Lower value means stitches are close. Higher value means stitches are loose. For practice, default density is good enough. In special tab, this option is width. Width means how wide the satin stitch is. I will slightly increase the width. See the change on the design. You can also change the stitch direction by reshaping the object. Direction helps improve the final look of embroidery. So today we learned how to edit satin stitch width and density. Practice with the small changes and always preview your design. In the next video, we will continue learning more satin stitch techniques.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Wilcom embroidery tutorials.